Okay, let's meet guys, the official candidate of Mr. World Philippines. Pakilala ka po.
Hello everyone, my name is Harvey Joshua Sagong, 26 representing Pangasinan.
Okay, only one question.
Yeah.
Bakit ikaw na ang susunod na Mr. World Philippines 2023?
I think you know what, first and foremost, before ako pumunta dito, there's no expectations at all. I always believe that, you know, this experience is once in a lifetime experience, and it's more than losing, it's the gaining experience you can gain from this moment. And I believe I can be the next Mr. World Philippines because I have the heart, I have the purpose to my community, and I can help that, I can use that purpose to share that to the community, specifically here in the Philippines.
Okay, so please invite the viewers to follow your social media account.
Yeah, thank you guys for all your support. I know that you guys there are so very happy that we made it finally. And yeah, I invite you all to just follow my social media accounts at TikTok at HarbsJosh18. Also in Instagram, HarbsJosh18, and also in Facebook, Harvey Joshua Sagong. Thank you guys!
Okay, so syempre, pasample naman ang iyong self-intro. Pretend that you're on the stage. Go.
Harvey Joshua Sagong, 26, Pangasinan!
Okay, that's it.
Thank you so
Good
much.
luck on your pageant
Salamat
journey.
po.